Hey everybody, welcome to 31060 North Dome in Coarsegold, California. This home was built in 2021. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, and it's sitting on just about 1.4 acres here in the Yosemite Lakes Park community. Tons of bonus features, own solar. Let's go take a look.